Life has been a whirlwind these past few months. So much has happened. After returning to the Netherlands from my trip to the Philippines, I ended up getting really sick for 2 weeks. It was brutal. So I spent most of my time at home, recovering and working on some projects around the apartment. Then we had this amazing stretch of weather,
Morning, Alamal. Good morning. Bridge of the
and
Netherlands.
when spring finally arrived, I felt so happy. Everything just seemed to come alive again, including me. I was finally feeling better, able to go outside, catch up with friends, enjoy good food, and yeah, just soaking it all in. Tulips and Miffy. Cheese bread. Yeah. I actually can't believe it's been 4 months since my last post. Honestly, I started to feel a bit pressure to make each video better than the last, and that got into my head. I felt overwhelmed. But I really want to keep doing this. I want a creative outlet, and I realized that this channel is like a personal diary for me.
Bucket list. Okay, yeah, yeah. Always like the last one to know the.
I've stumbled upon this quote: perfection is the enemy of progress, and it stuck with me. So now I'm easing back into it, taking things one step at a time and reminding myself that I'm still learning and that's totally okay. Speaking of learning, this past few months have truly been a season of growth. I've been learning how to slow down and be more present. It's so easy to get caught up in always rushing, always planning the next big thing, always thinking ahead. But there's a real beauty in just being present, in noticing the world around us. Taking that time has helped me feel more connected to myself and to others. Like calling with my family back home in the Philippines. Even though we're miles apart, those little conversations make me feel close to them. And spending time with people who matter. Whether it's sharing food we've made together, laughing while trying to snag a Sabrina concert ticket, or just being in the crowd at the show, those are the kind of moments that remind me what presence really feels like.
Lesson learned, you make it hard to walk out of the door. Note to self, you don't need to be anywhere but here. And I finally found some
On a
peace in
different
me.
note, I've also started running.
I got
I'm honestly so grateful to have friends who lead such active lifestyles. I really used to hate running as a kid, and honestly, there are still days when I wonder, why am I doing this? This is torture. But most of the time, I've actually started to enjoy it. Also, I've picked up a few other things like playing music and baking. And all of these little things remind me that life isn't just about waiting for
Oh
the
my god,
big
we can see
moments.
Sabrina. Okay, let's be.
It's about creating simple joys in our everyday lives.
lesson learned, you make it hard to walk